is the website where we can access all the textbook of CBSE from grade 1 till grade 12. You can see here all the grade textbook of all the subjects can be accessed from here. You can see, like, you have to select obviously the grade. You can see all the books are available all in all the languages also. So let's say I'll pick science, and in all the languages all the books are available here for our reference. Now why are we here with the video is because NCERT has come up with the new book which are based on the rationalized curriculum. Now what do you mean by rationalized curriculum? The curriculum is reduced so that there is more time for students to think critically and apply their logics and use their analytical skills. So let's have a look at it. What are the changes in the textbook? I am going to show you the changes in grade 10 and grade 9 science textbook. Let's go for it. So you can see here grade 10, this is the index page of new textbook, and this is the index page of the old textbook. And from this we can understand what are the changes. There were 16 chapters previously, and now there are only 13 chapters, which means 3 chapters have been deleted. And if you look at the index carefully, the chapter which I am observing here, chapter 5, which is periodic classification of element, is been removed from the new book. Apart from that, if you observe the chapter sources of energy is also removed from the book. I can see the management of natural resources, this chapter has been removed. So these 3 chapters have been removed. And if you look at the content carefully, you can see here life processes, control and coordination. And you can see here when we talk about chapter 8, it's only having heredity, and previously it was having heredity and evolution. So this part is also being removed here. So when we are talking about it, a huge chunk of grade 10 is been removed, and I guess this will give more time to the students to study more, and teachers will have less trouble in completing the portion. They will have more time in hand, and that could be utilized to do more revision. Apart from that, also when I talk about physics, a lot of content is also being taken away from the chapter magnetic effect of electric current. The motor and generator concepts are not included. This is about grade 10. Let's have a look at grade 9. What are the changes? So you can see the grade 9. Previously we had 15 chapters, and now we have 12 chapters. So when we are looking at the change in the chapters, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4 remains same, chapter 5 remains same. And you can see after that, chapter 6, we had chapter 7, diversity in living organism, and apart in place of that, now one blank space has been added, which means chapter 6. After that we have chapter 7. So this chapter has been removed. And apart from that, if you'll see, the last chapter here is improvement in food resources, and this chapter is still there, but the concept of natural resources is not included in the new book. No space is given to it. And why do we fall ill, this chapter also has no space in the new book. So you can see these 3 chapters have been taken away, and few content from the textbook inside the syllabus is also been taken away. But for that, we will have to wait for the official release of CBSE syllabus for year 23-24. So this is these are the changes. Apart from that, apart from grade 9 and 10, 8, 7 and 6 also content has been taken away. Whole idea behind all this is there is more time for students to apply their mind on the content available, and more activities can be done in the classroom. So how to access this website, I will be sharing this link in the comment box. You will have to just click on that, and it will take you to this site where you can access any of the textbook. I will show you one of the textbook. Let's say grade 10. You can select the subject which you want, and then obviously you can select the language also, and based on that it will take you to the page which will bring you to the textbook part. So these are all the chapters you can see along with the answers, and it also give you option of downloading complete book. Now when we go to the index page of this is the index page. We can see, I'll show you the content change here. Now when we are looking at it completely, we can get the idea about this chapter. This is grade 10. Similarly, it is available for grade 9, grade 8, grade 7, grade 6. I'll show you about grade 6 also. Previously, grade 6, there were more than 15 plus chapters, and now if you look at it in science, the number of chapters are reduced drastically. And let's have a look at it. How many chapters will be there in grade 6 science now? And you can see the number of chapters which are there now are 11 chapters, and these are the core chapter which will help them in understanding the concept well in the higher classes. So this was all about the video where we have understood that the new textbook which are released, which have the rationalized syllabus, and you can refer to all these textbooks from the link